Hello user, welcome to my channel Learning with Khatak. In the last lectures, we have created a simple simple structure, and then in the second lectures, we access the structure data members from the users via keyboard and then display it. Now in this video lecture, we want to see that how we can pass a structure variable to a function, or how we can pass a structure to a functions. Let's consider the same example, that is structures that contains information about the employee name, employee age, and employee salary. And this is the variable of structure. We have created the variable inside the main. You can also create a variable, like I'm going to create here another variable p2. So this is a variable, and this is also the variable. So what I want to go know do what I want to do this time, that I would like to take values from the users. These here we take name from the users, and then we entered age, and then salary. Now this time I'm going to create a function. So here I'm going to create a function that is void display info, and then I'm passing employee employee uh, employee info. So this is the function declaration, which tells us that we are going to declare a function. Its name is display info, which will takes one argument. This is of the type employee info. So after the main function, I'm just going to create this function void and display. What is the name of function? Let me check it. Void display function. So this is my function, and here is employee info. That is new variable of our employee, and then this is my functions. I'm just copying the statement from there and will display here. So void employee info, and then np. Okay, let me see it. It give me some error. Okay, this is the function, and a function outside the main function declaration, and then function name. Okay, employee info. Oh my god, this is not the employee info. This is display data, and then because this is the structure name. So now if you look at this, there is no error in this program. So here in this case, what I am going to do, I have to change that np, and then this is also np, and this is also np. Okay, and another thing which I have to change, displaying information. Okay, now I'm going to call this function from the main body, that is display data, and then I'm sending the structure variable p1. So if I run this program, it give me an output like enter full name, that is kk and kk. So age 33, and this is the salary. So this gave me simple information which I have entered through the keyboard. What we have done here in this program, first we create a structure having the name employee informations, which contains three data members, one of character array, integer, and float. And we have created one variable just after the structure body. And then this is the function function declaration, which tells me that there will be a function in this program and whose name is display data, which will take a parameters of type imply info. If you compare this function with the normal function like function ent, so now again this is a function prototype or function declaration which tells us that we will pass an argument to the function func of type integer. Similarly here, whenever we will call the display functions, we will pass a variable of structure. So if in the main function we look at this display data, we are passing a structure variable here, that is p1, and then inside the function we are just displaying the data which we have entered through the keyboard. So this is very brief introductions for the functions and structure in C++, that how we can pass a structure or rather how we can pass a structure variable to a functions. So thank you very much.